Okay, so what is resonance? So resonance, for a resonance circuit, you adjust the frequency of the supply to get the current and voltage to be in phase. So that's what you do. So you're not changing any component, you're adjusting the frequency of the supply to make the current and voltage in phase. So if you took this circuit, for example, you take the supply current as being your reference. Series circuit, always take current as being your reference. Then your voltage with reference to that. That would be your VR. That could potentially be your VL. Making them the same size. And that would be your VC. So the idea would be that when you add your voltage across your resistor, your inductor and your capacitor, you get a voltage that is in phase with your IS. That's the idea. So if you can pick values of, or if you can achieve voltages across your inductor and capacitor that are equal and opposite, they'll cancel out and your VR will really become your VS. And the way you adjust those voltages, if you like, is to be able to adjust the impedances by adjusting the frequency. So in resonance is about adjusting frequency. And you adjust the frequency to bring your VS and your IS in phase. So for a parallel circuit, it would look very similar in terms of your phasor diagram to what you had for your power factor correction. Again, this time, parallel circuit, use your VS as being your reference. Of your IRL, same as we had the last time. IC, same as you had the last time. And when you add your IC onto the end of your IRL, you have an IS that was in phase with your VS. So it's about adjusting the frequency to bring VS and IS in phase. So even though that phasor diagram looks very similar, you're doing a different thing. So in power factor correction, you're adjusting the value of the capacitor to bring them into phase. And in resonance, you're adjusting the frequency. The two have got different applications. Where you power factor correct on things that are based on mains voltage, so there's no flexibility in the frequency at all. Resonance is about things that have got an adjustable variable frequency, so it's usually about things that are filters, if you know what a filter is. Something that will pass certain frequencies and block certain frequencies. They're filters. Resonance is about filters and tuning circuits. Close that.